If space is at a premium in your garage, then why not combine your storage and work areas? The new ToolPRO Edge Hutch tool chest is built to stack on top of the 5-drawer roller tool cabinet and do exactly that. The gas strut supported lid folds back to reveal a spacious internal compartment with adjustable shelving and pegboard panels for storage. As a workstation, the Hutch features a durable wooden workbench, as well as a magnetic tool tray that's perfect for storing those fiddly bits. With 2 power cable ports for routing cables, you can readily use the Hutch as a charging station for your cordless tools. Or if you'd like to use power tools or lighting at the workbench, then the Hutch has you covered. You can also be sure that your projects and tools are safe from damage and interference by locking the Hutch up when you aren't around. If you need a versatile workspace that can double as a secure storage chest, then grab yourself a ToolPRO Edge Hutch tool chest. Available now, online and in store at Supercheap Auto.